Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a clip taken from 92 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. I can tell you this video is very comprehensive. I'm covering in great detail the Forex market, and I'm focusing also on the stock market. We have seen spectacular performance in the US. I'm covering also some fundamentals that we have that are affecting the stock market. I give some projections for the long term. And the clip that I'm sharing with you actually is focusing on the precious metals indirectly. It's focusing on two companies, one that is focusing on silver and the other on gold. And hopefully the analysis will help you get some perspective when we might have a turnaround in the precious metals. If you like to give a try to my service, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed if you do give a try to my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again, giving you further information about the website and how to try out my service. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I have many interesting charts in this video, and here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the euro Chinese yuan, the euro Canadian dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound US dollar, British pound Singapore dollar, British pound Canadian dollar, and then gold, silver, light crude, Brent crude, the TYX, the TNX, the TLT, and then the Dow Transportation Average, the Dow, the S&P 500, the S&P 100, the Nasdaq 100. At that point, I will also share with you some charts from a publication that is free, that is providing many charts concerning the stock market and commodities. And we'll have a look at interesting charts there. And I'll continue then with the EU Stocks 50, the FTSE of the UK, and I'll have a look at two, one gold stock, one silver stock quoted in the US that could help us possibly to time the bottom in the precious metals. So we have Kinross Gold and we have Silver Standard, and that will terminate this long video. Now, these two charts are going to be very interesting for people who are very focused on the mining stock. People are interested in gold, and I think we have probably we're coming close to an historic bargain here. Really, this is Kinross Gold Corporation monthly scale. Now, without going into all the arguments whether gold is money, it's not money, whatever, gold is an appreciated commodity in so many parts of the world. Gold will always have buyers for jewelry, for whatever. Now, I think what we are seeing here in front of the screen is the build-up of incredible bargain, because this is, as I said, Kinross Gold is one of the biggest producers of gold, major blue chip in this sector, and this chart goes back to 1995, and this is I share with you some ideas that they're not written in stone, no guarantee, but I think that we can have an educated guess as to possibly when this market is going to turn up. I mean the gold stocks, silver stocks. I'm taking this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well respected by all the proportions. I come down here with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see the details in the weekly and daily. That is well respected. I have an A, B, C, D, E right here terminating. That's a B. I come down finally for the C, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Very clear fourth wave right here, and now we're in the fifth. And the fifth, to my best assessment, we have between 3 months to 4 months, 3 to 4 months to complete the last leg of this major C. At which point this market will be ready to start looking up long term. If I'm right in my assessment, and I'll share with you here the details, let's go to the weekly. Before I do so, I just want to show you. You see this line? You see where it's going? Now we both agree that it's not going to go to zero, yeah? Well, this is out of question. I don't think it's going to go bankrupt. But it had difficult times here in 2000. That were historically low, very, very low. And it's possible it's going to test that level again. That's going to take it well under 5. Let me see exactly the level. That's around 3.1. Kinross Gold, if ever it touches again here at around 3.1, it's going to be massive bargain. It could go lower. If you're on margins, you're going to be wiped out. It could go to 1.15 if it touches back the brown line. So let's go step by step. Let's now go to the weekly. Now, here's where I feel fairly confident. That's a 1, 2, 3. That was a triangle 4. And it's now in the last leg, the 5th leg. Now, let's go to the daily. Now, here's the end of the 4th wave. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. I could be wrong. And this is 1, 2. And that's 1, 2. Doesn't matter. I think this is looking still good. 1, 2. I'm taking all of that as a third. My point is that the third might not have ended here, but might end fairly lower. Meaning this is 1, 2, and that's 3, 4. Tiny, yeah? But let's stay with this. And on the time scale, it shows you that this took about 6 weeks. This is now going on for about 3 weeks. So we could meander around here for another 2-3 weeks, nothing unusual. And then another big drop. Another big drop that in the case of 1 took almost, again, 6-7 weeks. So add 3 weeks to 7 weeks, about 10 weeks, 12 weeks, yeah? As I said, 3 months. 3 months, we could be seeing Kinross Gold plunging under 5, definitely plunging under 5, plunging under 4, and possibly reaching that bottom that I said around 3.5, 3.1, 3.2. At that point, it becomes an unbelievable bargain. There'll be major liquidation at that point. People liquidating wholesale out of this, and that will be really an opportunity for you to buy, in my opinion, only if you are patient and only if you buy not on margin. If you buy cash, you can sit through. I think you will see massive gains. There is another element in this chart that could be super helpful. Look, we're talking about a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, one way in which we could tell the market is reaching a bottom, we get our 5th leg, if it follows the script, yeah? We get our 5th leg, and then it starts climbing. We get clean 5 legs down from here. It starts climbing up on the daily. It starts building up 5 legs, and then it goes into an ABC right here. Next time it goes on the daily in this manner, and I presume that all of this is going to occur under the apex of the 4th wave. That would be a place where you will have many, many odds on your side to go long with both hands, right here. And I think that will signal the bottom. That will most likely signal the bottom. We would have a huge rally after that. Okay, that's Kinross Gold, and that's Silver Standard. Basically, similar pattern operating also here. That's the weekly scale going back to 1996. We had a huge surge here, culminating in 2007, and then a crash, 2008. Cleaned up the decks here for another rally. So we had 5 legs fairly clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C. And down we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4th wave. And I'll take you to see the details. We're in the last leg, the 5th leg. Is that going to be a 1, 2? Silver going to the moon about 50? I don't know. Silver Standard here. Whether it's going there, but I don't know. But if we have 5 legs down here and it goes to search the floor, yeah, the floor of the depression years of the precious metals here, the big risk that you run if you jump in and buy with 2 hands, not on margin, is that you might have to wait for a long time to see profits, because here it took, look, 2 or 3 years more. 3 years, depends what price you buy. Yeah, you might have to sit through such a thing. And I don't know how patient you are. This is totally up to you to decide. to what extent you want to get involved, etc. So that's the end of the fourth wave. That's the daily now. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3. I think we're in a fourth wave. Fourth wave could run here for a little while longer, and then again the fifth. Again the fifth, and again there is variation here that could say that I'm wrong, and in fact this move is going to prolong in the following way: that this is 1, okay, this is 2, this is 3, okay, this is 4. You get the point. But let's leave it like that. The market will clarify that as we go through. But that is another way that you can have a handle on the possible timing in the precious metals when they're going to hit the floor and start looking up. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of the philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription, and then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month, and that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. Just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link, and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.